back to HH Wheels. In this episode, we're going to show you how to powder coat at home. Today I'm going to be powder coating a water bottle and some steering wheel chrome. Fun fact about this trim, this is actually the steering wheel trim for James's Charger. He thinks I'm going to be chroming it, but I'm actually going to be black chroming it. Today I'm going to be using two different types of black powders from Prismatic Powders. I'm going to be using the Black Chrome 3 for the steering wheel trim, and I'm also going to be using Rainbow's End, which is a really cool metallic finish. Prismatic Powders offers a wide variety of colors and textures to fit whatever your project could need. Whether you're a novice or a complete pro, Prismatic Powders has any kind of powder that you could probably ever need. Do not get it twisted. By no means am I a pro powder coater. I'm just showing you what I do step by step to achieve these results. Here are some of the things you're going to need. Whatever you plan on powder coating, a thermometer, a blowgun, uncoated steel wire, a respirator or a dust-free mask, whatever powder coat you plan on powder coating with. You're going to need a powder coating system. Harbor Freight has a great one, Eastwood has another great one, and there are a few other good ones online. You're going to need some sort of degreaser like acetone and a tack-free cloth. You're also going to need oven mitts, but welding gloves are way cooler, and that's what I have, so that's what we're going to use. You're also going to need a compressor. Now, you don't need this big of a tank. I fortunately have a 60-gallon, but there's no need. You can easily get away with like a 2.5-gallon and have no issue. You're gonna need an oven. You can get away with a toaster oven if your parts are small enough. I was able to pick this little wall mount oven up for 20 bucks off of Craigslist, and then I went ahead and welded some legs and a base to it. And lastly, you're either gonna need a way to sandblast your parts, whether it's sending it off to a sandblaster or having your own sandblaster. You can also pick one up off of Facebook Marketplace for like $100, one of the small little cabinets, and it'll do you just fine. A good place to start with getting ready to powder coat, preheat your oven. Now that you have everything sandblasted, we are on to degreasing and making sure every little bit of contaminant and sand is completely off of this, so we are ready to powder coat next. Make sure to use a heat-safe tape if you plan on putting your tape in the oven. I removed mine prior to the curing process. Gun setup is extremely important. I make sure it's been cleaned prior to prevent mixing of powders. Next, air pressure setting. Having a regulator allows this to be quite easy. Most times I shoot with anywhere between 5 to 12 psi. Test accordingly based off your gun and powder recommendations. Don't forget to ground your part. You can easily clip it directly to your part, or you can clip it to the wire that it's hanging from. Lastly, high and low voltage. High voltage is great for larger areas that are easier to spray, and low voltage is more useful for the nooks and crannies of your part. Alright, well, enough talking. Let's get powder coating. Hold the button. It came out really nice, really even, really excited. Now we're gonna go put this in the oven. Depending on the time with whatever powder coat you have, it totally ranges. Follow the application sheet that you find online. Prismatic Powders has a really great layout for every single color. You can print it out exactly for that one. You can actually watch it flow out and it'll get nice and shiny. Now we're gonna move on to the black chrome. So to achieve that black chrome look, you have to put chrome underneath, and then you use the Black Chrome 3 as a top coat. So we're first gonna take the polished aluminum, coat the whole thing, bake it, and then come back with the black chrome over top, and then she'll be done. The camera just doesn't do it justice. If you want to see the finished product of our 2-stage coat, head over to our Instagram at HHWheelsPro and give us a follow. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned a couple things along the way. If you're interested in any prismatic powders or any other things that I have featured in this video, feel free to check in the description box below. Everything will be linked on what I have and what I use. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like, comment what you want to see us do next for you, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Happy coding!